Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing the single theme asset you will use across chats, one image or specific color palette. Why one? Because Instagram applies themes per chat and consistency requires reusing the same file or hex codes. Once chosen, save that image to Photos and store color hexes in Notes so you don't hunt later. Make sure the image is cropped to match Instagram's preview aspect and is visually legible at small sizes. This prevents color or contrast shifts when you apply the theme. Now you apply the theme directly in the chat settings. Tap the chat name, pick theme or edit chat, then choose custom and upload the image you saved or paste the hex codes. Instagram will preview bubble colors and background. Inspect both to ensure legibility. If contrast looks low, swap to a slightly darker or lighter hex, then reapply. This step locks the visual for that conversation. So use the exact file and codes every time to keep the theme identical across devices. Finish by maintaining the theme. Whenever you change devices or Instagram updates, reapply the exact saved image or hex codes to prevent drift. If the theme unexpectedly resets, first check app permissions for photos and files, then clear cache or reinstall. Make sure you're using the same account. If problems persist, compare the master copy on another device to confirm it isn't corrupted. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep a dated backup of the image and hex list so you can restore the theme precisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.